Hello everybody and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. So today we are looking at symmetry.
Symmetry. New content.
Yes, new content. So symmetry, Mr. Lake, sounds a bit fancy.
Yep.
But it's very easy. I'd say one of the easiest things we've done. Okay,
Excellent.
so all it is, so for example, it's like I have a piece of paper here, right? Do you agree?
Yep.
What shape is my paper?
It's a rectangle.
So rectangle. Now, if I was to fold this in half, Mr. Lake, perfectly in half, okay, so I've got, that line is right down the middle, okay?
Yep.
So, and I opened it up, that side is exactly the same as that side, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this line down here is called a line of symmetry.
Yeah.
That's all it means, okay? So a line of symmetry just down the middle, so if you fold it in half, that side is the same as that side, okay?
So you could put a mirror on that line
Yep, if we had a mirror, you put a mirror there.
and it would look the same.
Absolutely, okay?
That is quite simple.
Now, this works with all sorts of shapes and pictures, Mr. Lake. So if I have here, I have a piece of paper, which is this shape. What shape is this, Mr. Lake?
A triangle.
A triangle. So if I was to fold it in the middle, okay, like that, and then if I opened it up, down there, that is my line of symmetry, because that side is the same as that side. And as you said, if we had a mirror and put a mirror on our line of symmetry, it would look the same.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
a mirror image.
It's a mirror image, okay? So that's all a line of symmetry is. It's like if you fold something in half and opened it up, it'd be the same. So we have here, there's lots of symmetry in the world around us, everywhere really. I mean, if you look at a butterfly, for example, if you fold a butterfly in half, like that, so vertically down the middle, and opened it up, you can see that side of the butterfly is the same as that side. So there is a line of symmetry.
Yeah.
Okay. It would work if I could even, Mr. Lake, if you just come here, if I imagine we'd sort of, if I could somehow fold you in half, if I did a line going down there, vertically from the top to the bottom, you look the same on
Both sides.
both sides.
Yeah.
Okay. But if I was to draw a line, if you come back, please.
Yep.
Maybe face the camera. If I were to draw a line across the middle of you here and try and fold you that way, would that be a line of symmetry?
No. 'Cause I haven't got a head down here. I haven't got two legs sticking out my.
Exactly. It wouldn't be the same, would it?
It's not a mirror image. The bottom of me isn't a mirror image of the top.
Absolutely. So similarly with this butterfly, if we were to fold it horizontally across, that wouldn't be a line of symmetry, would it?
No.
Because you'd have sort of, if I do it, folded it in the middle, but that bottom bit's different to the top bit because you've got the antennae there. It's just different, isn't
Yeah.
it?
It's not a mirror image.
Okay. Right, so let's crack on. Next slide, please. So here's some shapes with the line of symmetry drawn on. So obviously a heart. You could fold it in half. If you folded it in half like that, opened it up, it's the same on both sides. Here are kind of a picture, it looks a bit like a house, doesn't it, that shape? If you fold it that way, open it up, it would be the same on both sides. So there is our line of symmetry. So we've got a vertical line of symmetry.
Yeah.
Mr. Lake, if I were to do a horizontal line going across, would that be a line of symmetry?
No, because if you look, you've got this triangle bit at the top, like the roof of the house. You'd need that. Oh, you'd need that at the bottom as well, wouldn't you? For it to be symmetrical, it would have to.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
So that wouldn't work. So again, we've got people here. So we have a vertical line of symmetry going sort of from top to bottom or bottom to top. But you couldn't have one going across because if you folded that person, your legs there but a head there, it's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So now as we've discussed a bit, lines of symmetry can go in any direction.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They can go vertical, horizontal, diagonal, any direction. Just as long as, imagine you were folding it in half and opening it up, it looks the same on both sides. So this sort of moon shape, it's going horizontally across there. Again, it couldn't go down here, could it? Because It just wouldn't be the same. We've got it going across here. Okay, on this shape it's sort of going diagonal.
Yep.
Okay, next slide please. Now, and again, so here's some objects, real life pictures. So butterfly, we know we've got a line of symmetry going down here. If we folded it and opened it up, it's the same on both sides. This road sign here, so again, we could have a vertical line of symmetry going sort of down here, couldn't we? Because imagine if you folded that and opened it up. We could look. Oh, we did. Well, oh, here we go. This flag's interesting.
Yeah.
At home, do you know which flag that is? No?
The English flag.
English flag, great. So, Mr. Lake, would you like to show us the lines of symmetry there?
Yep. So, I mean, again, it's very similar to it is a rectangle, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just with that cross pattern in it. So I could go vertically like that, just like you did there.
Yes, we've done that one.
But I could also go horizontally.
Yeah, and if I just be doing that now here, so if I fold my paper horizontally, open it up, yeah,
Perfect.
that bit is the same as that bit.
Absolutely.
Okay, how about this pencil, Mr. Lake?
Well, I think we could definitely do it
Going vertically down, couldn't we?
because that side's a mirror image of that side and vice versa. But I don't think you could do it horizontally because the bottom bit, again, it's like the house we looked at before. There's a triangle down here, but there's not at the top. You need a triangular shape at the top.
Yeah,
like that.
it wouldn't be the same, would
Yeah.
it? Okay, and then we've got this house.
Yep, so same again, I think, with this. You could do it sort of in the middle of the chimney there, halfway through the door. You could fold it up like that, and then that side's a mirror image of that side.
Yeah, because you've got the chimney, yeah, you've got half the chimney on that side, half the chimney on that side. I think that
Yeah.
works.
But not horizontally.
No.
Because the bottom's totally different to the top.
Okay, so Mr. Lake, I have a question here from a real year 2 test.
Ooh,
Okay, one the government wrote. This was one of the questions they put in it. So the question is, tick the shape that does not have a line of symmetry.
I think we need to work methodically through them then, don't
Right,
we?
let's start off with the heart. Right,
Yep.
well straight away, we've done that, haven't we? Because if you had a heart, you folded
Fold
it.
it up, yep.
That has at least that line of symmetry.
Yep.
Okay,
hmm
do you want to talk about this one?
Yep, same again, I think. So this is kind of a shield shape, isn't it? But this side is a reflection of that side. They're mirror images. So I could go like that. Not
Yeah.
horizontally, but it has got a line of symmetry.
It's the same on both sides.
It is.
Okay. Oh, sort of a man shape. We know what? A
I'm
person
thinking a
shape.
gingerbread man then.
Gingerbread man, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, well, I think we know this one, don't we?
Yep, straight through the middle vertically like that.
Same on both sides. Star here. Well, I'm pretty sure if you folded a star along
Yep.
this vertical line of symmetry, opened it up, it's the same on both sides. Okay.
Now this house is interesting because we've looked at houses that that house was and then that house shape was. But there's something key here about this house that makes me think
Well, let's
it's
think
not
about it.
symmetrical.
If I did a line down the middle,
Yep.
is that side exactly the same as that side?
No.
No.
Would need a chimney, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Like that.
So, right, we know, tick the shape that does not have a line of symmetry. I'm going to just tick that because we know it does not.
Yep.
Um,
And just to double check, clearly this one does, right? Doesn't it? You can go
yeah.
vertically and it's fine. So it must be the house.
Great. Okay, next slide. Okay, so your activity, with 2 activities today, okay, I'd like you to have a go at this. You've got some shapes here, and I'd like you to try and draw them out, okay, and I'd like you to then draw on where you see the lines of symmetry are, okay. You might want to, you might want to cut the shape out and actually fold it and check to see if it's the same on both sides, and then maybe later on draw a line down your folds, okay, and whatever helps you understand it. That's quite a good one to do actually. So we've got a triangle, a circle, a heart, a kind of rectangle shape, and this sort of arrow shape. Okay, and draw on. There may be more than one line of symmetry in some of them. There may be just one in some of them. Okay, so really think about it. Okay, This one in particular is very interesting, the circle. So really do talk about that, think about that one. Okay, and then we've got this. I'd really like you all to do this, please. This is a really good game. Mr. Lake showed me this morning. It's all you have to do is go on to Google. You type in top marks symmetry matching game. Okay, or you can just type in symmetry matching game and it comes up.
Or sorry, click the link below this video on the website.
Yeah, click that link and you just click on it. This is a good one to do. This is a good, so shapes is good, pictures is good, and you're just matching, you're finding where symmetry is. Really good game to help you understand this.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Definitely recommend.
Please let us know how you get on Dojo and good luck.
Enjoy Symmetry.